Come on, you see the vibes, man. You already know what's going on. Got a 2021 Ford Explorer, police package joint. You know what I'm saying? Runs and drives straight out of the auction. I drove it right from the auction with my dealer plate. How we looking? Same few airbags deployed, but the airbags are cheap on this one. Got the damage right there. I'm about to go pick up the door from the junkyard. They got it for a good price. So yeah, you know this is easy. Gotta pull it out right there. You see it right there. Yeah, I'm gonna have this done today. Engine nice and quiet. What we got going on here? We got the tire light on. We got the airbag light on. I know y'all seen the airbag. Yeah, I know y'all seen the airbags deployed. That's why we got those lights on. But those airbags are cheap. I already sourced them. So, yeah, this going to be an easy fix. I'm going to have this done today. Go get the tints. Go take it for the salvage inspection. Easy flip. You feel me? Pull up to the junkyard. Come get that door. Yeah, mint condition. You feel me? Like I said, I just got the car. It's the junkyard. They had the best price for me. Everybody in my city, they wanted like over $1,000. My boy got me for $500. Shout out to Shiloh from this junkyard over here. If you need parts, hit them up. Feel me? Pull up to the junkyard. They got everything I need. Get everything the same day. I'm about to take the decals off. My helper don't want to help me, so I gotta do it myself. Got the heat gun. This tape is a little thin, so it's gonna take a little while, but just trying to show you the process. Once I got that off, I'm gonna start putting the door on the car, pull it out. We're gonna be done. Hit it with the heat gun for a little bit. Yeah, so I got the decals off that door. Start taking off the old door. So I could throw this on, line it up, and I can start pulling it out, get it ready for the bodywork and paint. So you same day, getting this done. I don't waste no time. I find the parts, get everything done quick. It's another project right here. It's another police package, V8. Thing only got like 40,000 miles on it. Still got the police bars and everything in here. Joint clean. I don't know, I'm still thinking about throwing a wide body on this joint. Might throw a wide body, tune it up. Got the V8. Minor damage. Yeah, I might throw the wide body on that. I'm gonna have this done next week. Depending on if I throw the wide body or whatnot. Yeah, I'm gonna have this done today. Taking it in the shop. Right here, this is where I get the cars ready, you feel me? And I bring it in the shop. Right on the corner, and we get ready with the paint and everything like that. So I only do the framework here. Yeah, this is an easy fix. Like I said, same day fix. I'm about to remove my door hinges, take the cable for the harness out, and then I'm gonna remove this door. I don't want to loosen them all the way because I don't want the door to drop. Getting it off type shit. Get this last one up here. It's my 13. You see, I got to take the two outer seats. This one and the one over there. 2 bolts on this side and 2 bolts in the back. Take both of those out because I gotta measure how much I gotta pull this out to get it back aligned with the factory spec. I'll take out those 2 front screws right here, that one, and then I'm gonna jump to the back. So I'm gonna use my drill to make it real easy. Right here. I'm gonna jump to the back. See, I got that seat out. I just gotta get this side. There's 2 bolts right here. Got this bolt and then the one on more about it. Get that one over there. See, this is my measuring tool. So I can measure how much I gotta pull it out. Right there by the door. Bring it back to the right specs and everything. See, I got that door off. Like I said, same day, I'm trying to get everything much as I could get done. And then probably tomorrow do the body work at the shop, paint it. Have this done 2 days and it's done, you feel me? It won't take long. You see I'm setting up the chassis machine. Pull it out a little bit. Then I gotta do body work and paint it. You see right there, it's coming out. You know what I'm saying? We good to go, man. On the road, past inspection, everything's sturdy. Know the vibes. See, the car is done. Everything is done over there on that door. You know, the first thing I gotta do is come get these tints. It's gonna have a whole new look after I'm finished here. Shout out to my guys getting me right with the tints. Everything is gonna be tinted all around. Yeah, so it's getting that 5% all around ceramic tints, 20 on the windshield. You feel me? Yo, if you're in the Bronx, hit them up. They got good prices. Like I said, ceramic tint, good prices. They gonna get you right. Come on, man. You see the vibes? What I told you. In a few days, everything gonna be sturdy. See the vibes? Everything's sturdy. Ready to go for my customer. You see how the door was hit right there? Look at it. We looking good. Brispy. Look at the presidential tints on it. I told you the tints gonna make a big difference. Everything's sturdy, man. 1 week, man. Told you, easy fix. Don't play no games. Only needed that body work in the right rear quarter. Change the door. Fire. So I ain't got the receipt right there with what we changed. Got a lot of space in here. Fire. Cashed out, you know the vibes. Like it never happened. Brispy. Yeah, this is ready for the customer. About to go drop this off to the customer in a little bit. Just had to meet, you know, get the good content of it. Talk to me. So yeah, that's how it's looking, man. I'll show you how to break down right now. It's the auction fees and everything like that, you feel me? That's what we won the bid for, $3,700. You know, after they add them fees on there, came out to $4,700. Then we found the door, the right rear door was $530. And then besides that, we had to change the curtain airbags and the seat airbags. We caught that at the U-Pull-It Junkyard, so that was cheap. I think it was like all 4 airbags was like, came out to another $500. So you do the math, you feel me? $4,700 and $1,000 in parts. For 2021, made good profit off this one too. A lot of people are selling these rebuilt titles for about, you know, 14,000, 15,000. Mileage is decent, only 60,000 miles, but this is already sold. This is from one of my customers, so yeah, you know the vibes, man. Tap in for more vids.